Hello woodworkers. I wanted to show you a little idea I had that's a rather inexpensive way to deal with lighting. You can see I have pretty good lighting here above my scroll saw, but at times when you're doing really close fret work, it's difficult to see as you would need to. You need more lighting. So what I did here is just have a 2x4 going up here. I sunk a hole into the 2x4, put a threaded insert in there, and you can see I made this arm, and this arm comes down like this, and I can tighten it into position, and after I tighten it into position, it's there to stay. And then as I do my working, I have the cord just going down here. This isn't any high-tech thing. I have a plug right here, and wow, I can adjust my light around, and I got all the light I want on my work space. And then when I'm done, all I have to do is turn it off and then push it up out of place. And I'll show you the setup I have here a little closer so you can take a look at it. Just to give you a close-up look, this is a brass insert sleeve with a 3/8 inch thread inside, and you can take a bolt and it'll just go right into this. You simply drill a hole into the 2x4 or any piece of wood you want. This thing here can be threaded into the hole with a large screwdriver, or I have another video that shows you how to put these into bar tap handles. After you've done that, I was thinking of putting a fancy handle here, but I had this ratcheting wrench, and I thought, I don't use it anyway. I can just hang it right here, and then what I can do is loosen it enough to break it loose. Just takes a couple of twists, bring it down to the desired height, flip it around, and then tighten it up and just let it hang there. And then I took and put my switch right here, and you can see it gives me plenty of bright lighting. When I'm done, switch off, flip it around, loosen it slightly, lift it up to its put-away position, tighten it in a little bit so it doesn't shake and come down and crack you in the head, and you're good to go. So there's an easy solution. The light, by the way, I got, it was one that I actually got for my aquarium. Super bright. I think it was about 15 bucks, and it really does the job well. Hope that gives you an idea you can work from. Have a good day and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.